the toy pack!
Welcome to Toy Park. Today we're going to review this set of toys. Princess Sofia, robot, and a toy soldier. Okay, let's start unpacking right now so that we can see what accessories this package have. Okay, here we have Princess Sofia, she's wearing a crown, a pink dress, and there is a pair of swans decorated on her dress. Can you see it? She looks very elegant and gorgeous in her dress. She looks very pretty. Okay, we have a cap here as an accessory. And there's also a mirror here. A teacup. Okay, next we're going to unpack this robot. Okay, we're almost done. I'm really excited to play with this robot. Come on. Okay, let me remove this tape. Oh. One more. Here we are. Oh, how lovely. We got the robot here. Oh, she can move. See? Her hands and head is moving. It's a mechanical robot. Oh, wonderful. Oh, he can walk. Okay, we place it aside here. Let's open our next toy. Okay, we have one more tape here. We need to remove it. in here, after removing it, we can see the toy. Here we go. Oh, there's another one here. Ah, finally. Let me see what we got here. Oh, it's a toy soldier. It's a toy soldier. See how cute it is. It's moving. Oh, so cute. Can we place it here? So one day, Princess Sofia is going out to the park and she is accompanied by two of her bodyguards, the robot and the toy soldier. See? They are very good bodyguards. They look after Princess Sofia. Wherever she goes, she accompanies them. See? So thanks folks, thanks for watching us. Bye!